In this question, if photons of frequency V are incident at the surface of metals, A and B of threshold frequencies V by 2 and V by 3 respectively, then what is the ratio of the maximum kinetic energy of electrons emitted from A to that from B? So by law of photoelectric emission, we can write H times of V, which is equal to H V naught plus Ke max, maximum kinetic energy. So we can write HV, which is equal to, with the two different threshold frequencies V by 2 and V by 3. So we are going to write HV by 2 plus Ke maximum kinetic energy. And let us take this as 1. And now the second one, this next threshold frequency V by 3. So HV, which is equal to HV divided by 3 plus Ke maximum. Let us take maximum dash. So this is second equation. Now from this we can write Ke max, kinetic energy maximum, which is equal to HV by 2, which is equal to, we can say, Ke. Now from the second one we can write Ke max dash, which is equal to 2 by third of HV, which is equal to Kb. Now we are going to divide this Ka by Kb, which is equal to HV by 2 divided by 2 by third of HV. So if we cancel out this, we get remaining 3 by 4. So the ratio is nothing but 3:4. So this is the ratio of the maximum kinetic energy of electrons emitted from A to that of from B. So answer is option B, 3:4.